YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Roxy back in the mix, unboxing with the Andis reVITE clippers. I got them from the Ideal Barber Supply in Tampa Bay, Florida. And blessings to those people out there in near the Florida, Tampa area, man, with the hurricane. I ordered these before all that transpired, and they came in yesterday. So just wanted to show what was in. Here it is. Nice little box or whatnot. I'll kind of be quick with this. So I've been watching some of the videos. They give you all this stuff, the cards, all this stuff. Stuff that people like us don't really care about. Here it is. Man, it feels small compared to some of the other stuff, the other clippers. Yeah, they got a nice little weight to them, but they feel small. So I got the one with the fade blade right here. And oh, okay. Oh, it's easy to snap on and off. Okay. Yeah, just pull it off. Okay, cool. Yeah. Alright, and I'm one of the rule followers. It has the little tape on the power switch, and it says to make sure that you charge before you use. So I'm gonna actually do that. I kind of believe in that you ruin the life expectancy of the clipper if you don't do that. I know some people might not believe that, but it's cordless, so anything can happen. So inside the box, here. Okay, they give you some guards. And from the videos I've been watching, I heard these are the only guards that will actually work with this. So we're gonna try it out and see. So you get, man, it's a lot of guards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Man, a 12 piece. I've never seen that before. And here's the cable. Alright, it looks like the same type of cable you can use for your masters. So I'm not sure. We'll see. And just the other ideal stuff that you can, get information about the blades. And of course some oil. So I'm gonna check this out. Here's the Andis. Let's see if it works. Nah, I don't think it works. Okay, yeah, it fits flush when it comes with it, but with the Andis, I don't think it works. Let me see if it actually fits on the Andis charger. Nah. It won't even fit on the Andis charger because of this little piece here. She don't have that there. So I'm gonna charge it up. And see, man, they feel really good. It just feels small. They feel real small. Look, I don't know. And I've also ordered the taper blade as well from a totally different company because you couldn't find it. I think I paid like $160 for these. I think originally they were like $200, and the price started dropping fast. I was looking online, some of the reviews I was getting is it's not really mandatory that you get it. It's not the most appealing thing just by looking at it. It just looks real plain. But that was one of the keys. I was seeing some of the other unboxing and people were talking about just, you know, the fact that it does not come with the fade and the taper blade was an issue. And so, but I just noticed that the price started dropping fast. I looked up, it was 30% off. It was 15% off. I was like, wow. So I saw them for like $160 and I ordered them. And as I started searching for the taper blade at other different websites or whatnot, I saw them for like $149. I was like, dang. So price is dropping. I'm not too sure of why. But I think the only logical thing you can think of is the fact that people are not buying it like they would expect it. So it feels real good. I'm gonna let it charge and I'll continue. I'll add to the video and I'll try to cut with it. In addition, what I'm gonna do is, I know this might not mean something to most people, but I got some Ray-Ban. These are like some recording glasses, so I'm gonna use these when I cut. You can listen to music on them. You can listen to music. You can record videos, all that good stuff. So I'll put them on. They look like regular glasses, all right. But when I hit record, you should see the lights come on here. I mean, it's turning on right now. But you'll see the lights on here, and I'll be recording from there some of my haircuts, but not. So it just turned on. I heard it, and you can see. I think hopefully the lights are on. Yeah, you can see it here. So it's cool. It's cool. I got them. They have them in different styles, different colors. And they have different name brands. So I got this particular brand, and they have some with the tinted lens. Of course, these are not prescribed or anything like that, but I wanted the clear lens so that when I cut, you know, I can be able to see. So I'll add to the video. We'll talk a little bit more about these, and I'll show them going to work, but I'm going to charge them first. That's what I do. So stay tuned. So here is my little station. You can see some of the stuff that I use. This is what I'm in. So I just opened the bag for the reVITE. Some of the clippers. There's a lot of blades. I mean guards. So again, I'm not gonna turn it on until I actually, you know, till it's charged. But yeah, it has a lot of blades, guards, and I heard they have like a 3.5 guard. Yeah, look at that. That's what I heard. Wow. So I'm curious to see how that's gonna work. So I have a 3.5, a 3, 2.5. I love that 2.5 blade. I mean that 1.5, 2, 1.5. Wow, it's a lot of blades, but they might be useful. I'm curious to see. So I'll have them on my station and we'll see. So that's that. And you have 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4 of the bigger guards. So that's what we have. So once it's charged, we'll go ahead and try to make a little video of it and go from there. So I'm gonna use them. Can we use them while they're charging? Yeah, obviously. Okay. So yeah, we'll use them here. Use this fade blade here, and see what they do. All right. Yeah. So I don't like the way They're gonna cut the hair. This is a one. Oh, it's a 1.5. Put my one on. Cutting a little. All right, YouTube. I've used these with the Andis reVITE. I'm not a fan. One of the things that I did notice, I've watched other unboxing videos with this clipper, and Reggie Cuts Hair, I think is his name, even 360 Jeezy. I agree with what they're saying in regards to when I was trying to just trying to lay the hair down, just cutting a regular taper or fade like you saw in the video. It wouldn't do it. It wouldn't do it. It wouldn't cut. I eventually had to end up using my Babulous clippers. Use my one and to trim just to get the look that I wanted. All right. It's a light clipper. Well, I mean, it's not light. I'm sorry. It's just it feels different, but it didn't. The look is not the most appealing to me, in my opinion. But I was okay with it. But the performance was not the greatest, like at all. And the guards, I like the fact that they had multiple guards, like a 3.5 or 2.5. That's great. Might not use that as much, but just knowing you have it. But the blades, I mean, the guards look, I don't know, they don't look durable. So, but on top of that, try to use the magnetic guards that I use on my Andis. All right, use these here. All right, the single magnetic guards. I'm not a huge fan of the purple guards, but because they're kind of bulky, but I don't know if they fit on here. Oh, they fit perfect. Oh, so I'm gonna be the first guy to show you that the purple magnetic guards with the single magnetic, not the one where they have the two magnets on the side, the single, it fits perfect. Look at that. It fit perfect. Wow, I did not know that. I did not know that. So that's something some of you might want to consider. But in reference to performance, when it comes to Andis, I've always been an Andis guy. So I have my masters. I will use these 10 times before I use these. Maybe when using them on children, because bulk, I don't think it's, with the guards, it just didn't cut like I thought it would. All right, and it also makes sense why these started off as being over $200. And now you can get them for like $150. What does that tell you? They're not selling. All right, they're not selling. They're not just dropping the price when these things haven't even been out a month. So they're not just dropping the price just to be dropping the price. I think it's just not selling. I also, when I purchased these, I went to another website and purchased the actual taper blade. So I haven't received that yet, but I don't think it would matter what blade. The performance is the performance. So now I'm having trouble putting it back on, so it's on. I don't know. I think that they're not really just noisy. These the Masters are a bit noisy, but the performance is 10 times better than this. Just my personal opinion. They kind of feel like the Stylecraft. I use these for kids. They're real light. I use it to kind of cut fades. They're real, and these are a little heavier than these, but I think the performance are pretty much the same. I'm not. Of course, the blades are different, but I wasn't pleased. I was not pleased. To say that I spent of course I'm gonna keep them. I paid for them, but I probably won't use them as much, and maybe give them away or something after a while. Depends. I'm not a fan of it now. Now, if I find something that they're really good at, I'll use them for that. Because I have a 30 pair of clippers and trimmers, so I use all of them for different things. For whatever, beards, children, women, whatever the case may be. But in regards to these, I'm an Andis guy, and this was disappointing. This was really, really, really disappointing. So maybe I'll find something else I noticed that when I was trying to, the fading wasn't as bad. Let me say that the fading was not me fading. Wasn't too bad. It was just when I put these guards on, I was not pleased at all. I wasn't pleased at all. So I don't know. You can watch some other reviews to see what other people were thinking. But I agree with Reggie Cuts Hair and 360 Jeezy and a couple other guys. I saw another. So let me say this. I saw another unboxing with these today. I don't know who the gentleman was, but what he was cutting a taper fade on one of his clients, and it came out nice. And I think the texture of hair might have something to do with it. But on his video, he showed different texture of hair, and he liked the performance. I didn't. But maybe using them on different textures of hair, that may change. That may change my thought process. But I just think with the guards, they don't even feel the same. Here are my Babulous. Here's my Babulous premium guards, 1.5. Here's the other one. You see the difference? Okay. This seems a lot more thicker, more firm. I don't know, will that work? Nah, it won't. But that's just that. So, like I said, the single magnetic guard, it fits perfect. So all you guys out there that's looking, you like the magnetic guard, it works with this. I don't know how much it have, and of course the single magnetic guard goes on here as well. So single magnetic, you guys might not, if it's the same. I have single, I have double, but I'm just telling you that this actually works. Other than that, I don't know how to feel about it right now. But if I happen to do something else and different type of haircut or something, and I get a good performance, I'll definitely add more to it. But other than that, not too much of a fan. Slightly disappointed. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll probably rate it about a 4. Because I was able to get it at a discounted, I didn't pay full price what it was when it was released at $200. Paid like $150, so not too bad. But considering the fact that I probably won't use it a whole lot, that's the reason why I put it less than a 5 on a scale of 1 to 10. So, if you have any questions, reach out to me, hit me up.